channel Grammar Session. Dear students, we had studied about the parts of speech that were noun and pronoun. We studied very detail about them. Now before starting third part of the speech, that is verb, I would like to clear you determiners and articles. Then after we will learn about the verb. So first, what are determiners? You might have listened that a and the are used for as determiners and articles. So what are determiners? Determiners are words that are used with nouns to illustrate them. Means to explain the noun, determiners are used. Determiners are mostly used before nouns. So the students, whenever you are using the determiners, you have to use them before noun. Here, for example, Nisha bought 3 mugs at the sale. Then, two determiners are here, that 3 is definite number of mugs and here the is telling about the particular sale and not just any sale. So these two are determiners. We can point out the noun they precede. So these determiners are pointing out the noun which they precede. Now several classes of determiners are there. You will again notice that we will include all the possessive pronouns, quantifiers and articles and definite articles and determiners for that. Now students, what are several classes of determiners? First of all, we have taken articles. What are the articles? A and the. These are the articles. A or an are used for singular nouns and these are indefinite articles. And the is used for the definite article. Now, second is determiners. Determiners, we can say this, that, these, those. I would like to remind you students that the same thing we had studied in pronouns. So, these are used as pronouns and adjectives and adverbs. Now, third is possessive. I think you may be remembering that we had done possessive cases also, that my, your, his, her, its, are, their. These are used as adjectives and mine, yours, hers, his, theirs are used as possessive pronouns. Now, quantifiers. What are quantifiers? In that pronouns chapter, I had explained you about these words also. Those pronouns are used as quantifiers like all, few, a few, little, a little, much, many, each, every, some, any, enough, no, both, several, a lot of. Some of them were told you how to use them in the pronoun chapter. Now, these are used as adjectives and adverbs. Numbers contain cardinals. Cardinals which are telling the numerals 1, 2, 12, 20, etc. And second is ordinals which is showing the position. That is 10, 100, etc. These are used as adjectives and adverbs as these are the determiners which are used as adjectives or adverbs. Now, number 5 is interrogatives. We had studied in pronouns also these words for the interrogation as well as for the relative pronouns also. So, here interrogatives what, where, which, whose, how, who. These are used as pronouns and adjectives. Sixth is other words. Other words contain other, another, double, thrice, etc. Here mostly used as adjectives. Now I will tell you some uses of the pronouns or some determiners, that much and many. Where is to use much? Much is used for the uncountable nouns or much modifies uncountable nouns, while many modifies countable nouns. Means when the measurements are there for the like kilogram and kiloliter like that, then we will use much, and many, that is for the countables. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 that for that. For example, there was much talk about that incident. Second example, he has many cows and sheep. You will notice that in the first example, we can't count talk, while in second example, cows and sheep can be counted. Next, the use of little and a little. Little is used for the uncountable nouns, or it is modifying the uncountable nouns where used as a negative context it refers hardly any or very small quantity. So we will use little or little, which are modifying uncountable nouns which are used in negative context and refers hardly any or very small quantities or not much or almost nothing. So for example, I have got little money left in my account. Here little or a little are used with the singular forms. Next example is she saves a little money every month. Here we can use them for not much, almost nothing, or in a very small amount. My viewer, they want to explain this in little Hindi also. So determiners and articles, as I told you yesterday, we are using in some useful way, that is आर्टिकल जो हमने बताया ए एंड द का यूज होता है, जो कि प्रोनाउंस डेमोन्स्ट्रेट, उसके बाद में डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव जो किसी चीज को शो करने वाला जो था, दैट, दिस, दीज, दोज, एंड दिस वाज यूज्ड एज प्रोनाउंस एंड एडजेक्टिव्स. देन the number of possessive pronoun we had to use, that time I told you, जिसमें बताया था my, our, your, her and his, him. ये जो वर्ड्स रहेंगे ये पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव के लिए, जिसमें कि आपका अधिकार है किसी चीज पर, और माइन, हर्स, योर्स, देयर्स, ये जो है ये पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन के लिए यूज होते हैं. इसके बाद में क्वांटिफायर जो हमने लिया था, दैट वाज ऑल, फ्यू, अ फ्यू, लिटिल, अ लिटिल, मच, मेनी, ईच, एवरी, सम, एनी, इनफ, नो, बोथ, सेवरल, अ लॉट ऑफ. I will tell you these uses of the quantifiers in further video. फिर these are used, इन सबको adjectives और adverb के रूप में यूज किया जाता है. Then numbers में cardinals और ordinals दोनों आते हैं. Cardinals जो कि आपको numerals बताएंगे, ordinals जो कि पोजीशन को 10th पोजीशन, 100th पोजीशन और रैंक that they show. ये भी these are also used for the adjectives और adverb के लिए ही यूज होते हैं. फिर आते हैं इंटरोगेटिव, जहाँ की प्रश्न का आता है. प्रश्न जब आता है तो हम ये वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं. These words are also used as pronouns. Which pronoun? If you remember, that is relative pronoun also. So ये these are used as pronoun and adjectives also. फिर then the other words. Other words में आते हैं other, another, double, thrice. ये हमने बताया था, कंट्रास्ट में भी चलते हैं, अदर, वन, अनदर, प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था. देन दीज आर यूज फॉर द एडजेक्टिव्स. हाउ टू यूज मच और मैनी. मच और मैनी का यूज करने के लिए ये सब अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स को मच बताता है, अनकाउंटेबल जिन्हें कि गिना नहीं जा सकता. मैनी जो है काउंटेबल को बताता है. यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल, देयर वॉज मच टॉक अबाउट दैट इंसिडेंट. हियर टॉक इज uncountable, so we will use much. While second example में देखिए, he has many cows and sheep. Here we can count cows and sheep. Then little or little, both are for the uncountable noun. दोनों uncountable nouns के लिए, negative sentence के लिए यूज होते हैं. and ये इनका मीनिंग होता है बहुत कम अमाउंट या तो बिल्कुल नहीं के बराबर. So for example, I have got little money left in my account. It is used with singular form, and she saves a little money every month. Use of few. Few modifies countable nouns. It means hardly any, not many, almost none, or used in negative context. So few is used for the negative context and it is modifying the countable noun. For example, many contributed money but few people came forward to volunteer for the charity. Here next is a few. What is the use of a few? It means some, a small number, or not much, or just enough, means बहुत थोड़ा. For example, she demonstrated a few steps of Kathak for the workshop. Now use of no. It is used for both countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns also. For example, no water, no power cut, no room. Here room is countable while no water and no power. Water and power is uncountable. Now next use of enough. Enough is also used for both countable as well as uncountable. For the nouns we can use enough. It means adequate amount or quantity or quality. For example, we have enough space for all the people. Then the next use of a lot of and lots of. Here you have to see properly. A lot of and lots of. Both have different use. These are used with uncountable nouns. They mean much, and if they are used with countable nouns, they stand for many. I'll repeat again. If they are used with uncountable nouns, they mean much. But if they are used with countable nouns, they mean or they stand for many. This here, they are used for informal substitutes for much and many. For example, she takes a lot of interest in the working of our trust. Here it is used for much, and we can say it is the substitute of much. And second example, lots of people appreciated our handicraft exhibition. Here it is used for many. Means you must have understand that few or a few, थोड़ा और बहुत थोड़ा, इन सब के लिए इनका यूज किया जाता है. Here examples are given. Then no जो है काउंटेबल और नॉन काउंटेबल दोनों के लिए यूज होता है. एग्जाम्पल नो वाटर, यहाँ पर वाटर काउंटेबल नहीं है, पावर भी काउंटेबल नहीं है, जबकि रूम काउंटेबल है. नेक्स्ट यूज जो बताया है इनफ. इनफ इज फॉर बोथ काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल. बोथ द नाउन्स वी कैन यूज. इट इज मीनिंग एडिक्वेट मीन्स सफिशिएंट अमाउंट या क्वांटिटी और क्वालिटी के लिए यूज हुआ है. नेक्स्ट यूज जो है अ लॉट ऑफ एंड लॉट्स ऑफ. अ लॉट ऑफ एंड लॉट्स ऑफ जब अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ यूज होते हैं दे स्टैंड फॉर मच, और जब काउंटेबल्स के साथ यूज होते हैं दे स्टैंड फॉर मेनी. Here examples are given. She takes a lot of interest in the working of our trust for the much, and lot of people appreciated our handicraft exhibition. This is for many.